Did you know that the global essential oils market was valued at over $18 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow significantly over the coming years? The widespread popularity of essential oils is driven by their natural healing properties and versatile applications. Whether you're new to essential oils or looking to expand your collection, here are the top 5 essential oils you need to know, each offering unique benefits for health and wellness. 1. Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender Essential Oil is one of the most popular and versatile oils available. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, it's often used to reduce stress, promote sleep, and alleviate anxiety. Lavender oil has been scientifically studied for its effects on sleep quality, with research showing that it can improve both the duration and depth of sleep, making it a must-have for anyone dealing with insomnia or restlessness. Additionally, lavender has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, which makes it great for soothing skin irritations such as burns, cuts, and insect bites. Its pleasant scent and multifaceted uses make it a staple in aromatherapy. 2. Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint oil is famous for its invigorating scent and numerous health benefits. It's widely used to relieve headaches and migraines, as the menthol in peppermint can create a cooling effect that helps relax muscles and ease tension. Studies have also shown that applying peppermint oil topically, diluted with a carrier oil, can help alleviate sore muscles and joint pain. Inhaling peppermint oil has been linked to improved focus and cognitive performance, making it a great choice for those needing a mental boost. Additionally, it can help with digestion issues, such as nausea and indigestion, by promoting a calming effect on the gastrointestinal tract. 3. Tea Tree Essential Oil. Tea tree oil, also known as melaleuca oil, is renowned for its powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It's a go-to for treating acne thanks to its ability to reduce inflammation and fight bacteria. In fact, studies have shown tea tree oil to be as effective as some conventional acne treatments without the harsh chemicals. Beyond skincare, tea tree oil is frequently used as a natural remedy for dandruff and scalp issues. Its antimicrobial properties make it an excellent choice for cleaning and disinfecting surfaces as well, making it a household essential. 4. Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus oil is most commonly associated with respiratory health. It has long been used to help alleviate symptoms of colds, sinus congestion, and allergies. When diffused or inhaled, eucalyptus oil can open airways, making it easier to breathe, and is often a key ingredient in vapor rubs and cough drops. In addition to its respiratory benefits, eucalyptus oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle and joint pain. Its fresh, minty aroma also makes it a great oil for refreshing a room or keeping insects away. 5. Frankincense Essential Oil. Frankincense, often referred to as the king of oils, has been valued for centuries for its profound healing and spiritual properties. Known for promoting feelings of peace and relaxation, frankincense is widely used in meditation and yoga practices. In terms of health benefits, frankincense oil is used to reduce inflammation and pain, making it helpful for conditions like arthritis. It also has powerful skin benefits, such as reducing the appearance of scars, wrinkles, and blemishes by promoting healthy cell regeneration. Frankincense is a potent immune booster as well, helping the body fight infections and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any essential oil collection. Essential oils offer a natural, effective way to enhance your health and well-being. From promoting relaxation and better sleep to relieving pain and improving skin health, the top 5 essential oils, lavender, peppermint, tea tree, eucalyptus, and frankincense, are essential for anyone looking to incorporate aromatherapy into their daily routine. Whether you're seeking mental clarity, respiratory relief, or skincare solutions, these oils provide powerful, nature-based benefits that you'll love exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.